Hi, little artists! Today we're going to draw and color this adorable bunny peeking out from a flower pot. Isn't she just so cute? Let's start by drawing the bunny's head and the flower pot. Grab your pencil and let's begin. Great job so far! Now, let's add the bunny's paws and ears. And make sure to draw the heart shape on the pot. We'll also add the flowers, just a few more lines, and we'll be ready to color. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Start by coloring the bunny's fur white and her cheeks soft pink. The flower pot should be a pretty pink with a cute heart, and the flowers can be blue, yellow, and white. Keep going! You're doing an amazing job! Look at that! Our bunny looks so cute sitting in the flower pot with her flowers. You did such a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawing. Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable yellow car with 4 cute animals inside. The bear, frog, bunny, and fox are ready for their ride. Let's start by drawing the car's shape. Grab your pencil, and let's begin. You're doing such a great job. Now, let's add the animals inside the car. First, we'll draw the bear driving, then the frog, bunny, and fox sitting in the back. Don't forget to add the windows and the message "Have a nice day" on the side of the car. Almost done with the outline. Now, let's start coloring. We'll begin with the car. It's a bright yellow, and the wheels are blue. Now color the bear brown, the frog green, the bunny white with pink cheeks, and the fox orange. You're doing an amazing job. Keep coloring. Look at that! Our car is all finished, and the animals are ready to go. You did such a great job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawings.